Hello, I need you to place an order. Hello, if I need your Andrews order and location detail. Well, it is an Andrews Passage 1052 Villa Los Yacimientos. I will ask for an Italian hamburguesa. The house is next to a cement field and in this there is a population center between Pasej, Aura and Chuquicamata. Will your order will be ready in 30 minutes. Time after. Hello, we are out of your home. I am going. Wow, what a beautiful house it has. I imagine how furnished it must be. If if it is beautiful, it has a living room of the year, a dining room, an American kitchen, a room for guests. It has a second floor with three bedroom tour around the house. Oh, great here someday. I will have the sun. Bye. Goodbye. See you soon. See you soon.